Here is how to hide all of your TikTok videos. First, go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Now go to your TikTok profile from the bottom right corner of your screen. If you want to hide your videos and make them private, maybe because they're old or embarrassing, here is how to do it instead of going through each one individually. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now select Settings and Privacy. Tap on Activity Center option that is between music and audience controls. Here select Manage Post Visibility, which is between Recently Deleted, and Manage Comments Permission. Now you can select all the videos that you want to hide by quickly scrolling and tapping on each one. Press on Next from the bottom, which is highlighted in red color. And now you can choose only you to make them private. Then press on Update, which is also highlighted in red color. After that, if you refresh your profile, you'll see that your feed is empty except for your drafts. You'll still access your hidden videos by pressing the padlock icon to the right of the feed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.